Have you ever walked into a bathroom space that just didn't feel right? You could feel that the space needed a little bit of love and attention. Well, that's exactly what I faced with my guest bathroom. So I decided to give it a makeover. I didn't want to spend a lot of money or too much work, but I knew that this bathroom needed an update. I started off with a small makeover, but it just wasn't enough. So I decided to give it a complete overhaul and to make it a space that my guests could really love. First, I had to get rid of the corner countertop that took up so much unnecessary space. Then I replaced the old mirror that was making the room feel dated. And now that we have our base, it was time to give it a deep clean and then sand down the cabinets so I could start painting. I mixed together some old paints that I had and I used the colour black to create a dark, moody colour. I'm just having some fun, just breaking some rules. I haven't primed, I'm not taking the doors off, I'm not taking the handles off, I'm just going straight to painting. I'm being wild, I'm having fun. Have you ever broken the rules? Let me know. After the first coat, I had gotten a lot of paint strips, but to get rid of them, I just gently sanded it down and then did a second coat. Next, I cut up some wood to make a new countertop. I then cleaned the surface and gradually peeled off the adhesive paper, smoothing it out along the way. And then I cut the edges with a Stanley knife. If you're struggling with any bubbles that are in the paper, just make a tiny pin-sized hole in it and it will help to release the air for you. I'd been searching everywhere for a circular mirror for this space and I couldn't find one, and then I came across one online which was €6. The only issue with it is that I had to remove it from the backboard. Oh, and that didn't go to plan. Oh!
Did you keep the mirror?
No! I'm not gonna get another circle mirror.
Yeah, you will. It's not the only mirror in the town. Yeah.
I think it was my fault.
No.
To keep the space looking fresh and clean, I recocked everywhere, including the shower. I also then decided last minute to change the sink and the shower faucet from silver to gold. The silver just made the space feel incomplete. So I taped around the area I was going to spray and I added plastic for some more protection. The spray will go everywhere, so it's best to cover up as much as you can. I scuff sanded the faucets and then I applied the spray. I also sprayed the shower shelf and the mirror. And also I recommend going over all of that with a clear coat of spray just for extra protection. After touching up the paint, it was time to put in some finishing touches. Rolling towels is great because it takes up less space than folded towels and they look nice and neat and tidy. I also have a towel folding hack for you. Fold your towel, fold the bottom part 1/4 of the way. Next, flip it over and fold both sides to meet in the middle. Then, fold the top part. For this pocket, take your face cloth and do a zigzag fold. And then fold it in half and place it into the pocket. You could place this on your guest's bed or on a towel rack. Cute, isn't it? I also left some bathroom supplies, including some shower gel and shampoo, to help accommodate the guest. For the wine bottle, I just painted it a little bit gold and then I added a tiny little bit of faux ivory. And we're just going to hide it in here. I'll just add a nice little touch. Lastly, I added in some greenery and some picture frames to help finish off the look. This is actually the piece of art that's from my living room makeover, but I think the colours could work really well in here, so I want to try it out. And then we'll add decorations around it. Do you want to see the bathroom?
Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, the shower.
So there you have it, a simple and yet effective DIY project, and it was done on a budget. All it took was a little bit of creativity, a splash of paint, and a little bit, sometimes a lot, of elbow grease. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!